Starting practice in Tadasana, toes together, heels slightly apart. Deep belly breaths here. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Letting it go, sigh it out. On your next inhalation, take the hands overhead to prayer. And exhale, bending at the hips and the knees, forehead to shins. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step back into your chaturanga. Inhale, rise. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deepening the inhalation and the exhalation. Inhale, look at the fingertips, hop or step forward. Exhale, forehead to shins. Inhale, flat back, rise, prayer hands overhead. Exhale, Tadasana.